Boss Ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this beautiful perm rod set, make sure you stay tuned for this video. But before we get into it, you already know what I'm gonna need you to do. I'm gonna need you to subscribe to my channel, to click the notification bell, because you are a boss and you're watching this video, period. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm back. I have some gray perm rods I'm gonna be using, and I'm getting straight into it, y'all. I ain't waste no time at all with this video. So I'm going ahead and I am sectioning that hair off into 4 different sections because I want this to be controlled. I have about 4 packs of these great perm rods, and that's about 48 perm rods. So for me, it would be best if I know exactly how much I'm gonna put in each section so that I don't run out, you know. So I'm just going ahead, I'm detangling my hair, as you see. Gonna clip some to the side, and we gonna get right into this. So I realized after watching this that I didn't show y'all what products I'm using. Ain't I a hot mess? I am using Mayel's leave-in conditioner and Lotta Body Wrap Me Setting Mousse. So right here I'm just going in and I'm smoothing down the edges. I had to put more Wrap Me Mousse because it wasn't enough, but smoothing out those ends is essential to getting a good look. I'm definitely gonna show you all a slowed down twist. This first one I just wanted to do it quickly so that you guys can like see the motion, and I actually turned the perm rod around so that the root can be tight. Y'all gotta get those roots too. Y'all see how I came in? I did a nice little close-up for you. I personally don't be able to see sometimes, so I was like, let me get this close-up on and popping. So right here, you notice I actually end up putting more product than the first one. I felt like it wasn't enough, so I put a little bit more product, the leave-in like I mentioned, and I'm gonna put in the Wrap Me Setting Mousse. Get that mousse in my hair, period, poo. So once you work all that product into your hair, you gonna get that rod and you gonna roll it up. So for this one, I'm doing it towards, I'm rolling the hair towards my root, not away from my root. And as I roll it, I'm trying to smooth the hair down using my fingers, my index fingers, to smooth it down around as much as possible. So I feel like for 4C hair girls, you want to try to get your hair as smooth as possible, because that's what gets the set to look very neat. The smoother it is, the neater it is. And right here you see that root wasn't as tight, so I just rolled it in a little bit more so that it could be a little tighter. So here I'm just doing a second one, close up, but this is sped up, but it's the same exact process. I want to make sure I also add extra product in on those ends, because my ends personally have a hard time staying smooth, so I always try to add additional product because it be needing it, girl, it be needing it. So same process, smoothing the hair towards me, and I'm rolling it forward. Smooth, roll, smooth, roll, smooth, and roll. Smooth and roll. Hey ladies, so I'm finished putting in the perm rods. I have in about 48 rods in my hair, which is about 4 packs of perm rods. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair down. I'm gonna let it air dry for about 24 hours and see if it's dry by then. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take one out from the back and then see if that one is dry. If not, I'm putting it right back in and I'm gonna let it dry some more. And I'll let you guys know, like, if it doesn't dry in the 24 hours, how much longer did it take for the hair to dry. Because the thing about these roller sets is that if the hair is not 100% dry, it's gonna look bad.
no matter what you do, it's gonna look bad. So I'm gonna hope and pray that this comes out great. So I will see you guys when the hair is dry. Stay tuned. Hey ladies, welcome back. So I am about ready to take down the perm rods. So I actually didn't get to wait a full 24 hours. It is now about 10:30 a.m. so that's 12 hours would make 17 hours have passed. So if it's not dry, like, you know I should have waited a little longer, but I really do think it's dry already. Like, I was touching my roots and stuff and it feels dry. I'm really crossing my fingers, and we're just gonna experience this together. I'm about to go get some oil to put on my hands so that they're coated for when I'm taking them down, and let's just see how this goes. Okay.
I'm back again on this voiceover. So this is Ali K Naturals essential oils that I had. It was the closest thing next to me, I'm not gonna lie, but you can use anything from coconut oil to almond oil, jojoba oil, whatever oil you want to take this down, but something that's gonna allow you to minimize frizz. So I'm speeding this up, but I'm trying to take the curls out in the direction that I put them in so that it doesn't disrupt the curls. And I feel like the truth is that, a part of it, when I was taking it out, I kind of felt like I probably should have done them all in a similar direction, because when I was taking it out I realized, like, damn, I kind of didn't do that, and I feel like the curls still look nice. You guys are gonna see once I start separating the hair, but I feel like it would have looked nicer if they were all going the same way as well. But it's okay, because it's still gonna look good, and y'all finna see. Y'all know how I'm about this life. I'm gonna show y'all. So here we are. I know it don't look like nothing yet, but you just gotta wait. All right, so this is my favorite part, separating the curls. As you can see, I'm like going on the natural separations that each strand kind of creates, because that's gonna help you minimize frizz. I hope that made sense. So when you try to unravel the hair, they will have like natural separations in them to make it easier. It's like if you take out a twist out, there are two natural twists that are gonna be there, and when you take it out, it's easier. So here I am, just speeding it up to show you guys how the hair continues to get fuller as I continue separating the hair, and I'm also rolling it around my finger to maintain the curl pattern.
This beat too, but you a fucking goofy though. Oh wait, run around town. All you just boy was a clown. Swim in your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up for the pounds. I'm Sushi, yes, right on my clothes. Hey bitch, yeah, why she do coke? Broke his hair, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows. All of my wrist figgy right on my clothes.
Alright, so now that I have unraveled the curls, I'm just gonna come close up for you guys to see them a little better. I feel like the camera's not necessarily actually picking up the curls. Here's a close up. I think they actually look really good. I'm not sure how I want to style it yet, but I'm about to do my edges. I'm gonna do my edges and pick them out and see how I feel.
So y'all already know what I'm using. Handy dandy edge booster. I'm an advocate of edge booster. I feel like this summer it hasn't really been a vibe though, I'm not gonna lie. So if y'all know some other edge controls for my 4C girls, please do drop them in the comment section. Like, I need some good edge control. And if you happen to know any that are black owned, that would be even greater. So as you can see, I'm also picking out my hair from the root up. Do not pick it out from the ends of the hair because you will disrupt your curls and it's just gonna kill the vibe. You don't want the vibe to die, you want it to live. I'm really corny, y'all. It's really not funny. Not even, that was not a good joke, but I hope you might have laughed. Maybe.
Alright ladies, so this is the end result and I am really pleased and satisfied with how this perm rod set came out. Honestly, like, I love it. I really genuinely love it. The curls look great. They are moisturized, they are defined. Like, this is looking good. You know, I think for future reference I'll definitely probably use a product that will give me more luster, or also what could make this even better is if my ends were perfectly smoothed down. I think I tried to smooth down my hair as much as possible, but as you can see, like, some of the ends are still, for example right here, you can kind of see this end is kind of like frizzed up in comparison to something like this where the end is completely curled. My camera's having a hard time focusing. So I was trying to show you guys the comparison between some of my ends that were frizzed up in comparison to others, and it wasn't really showing the way I wanted to show it, so that's okay. But yes, all in all, like, this is really a whole look. Who said 4C hair girls can't do perm rod sets? Who said it? Because I did it. And I have shorter hair, so I think that it was good for me to try. I feel like most people with type 4 hair who do perm rod sets typically have medium to long hair. My hair is still short, so this is a look, period. This is a look. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love y'all. Bye.